is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics, step by step, with daily assignments and weekly mock interviews, including project work and resume. Let's understand in this short session the details about our MSSQL course, including a nice project work. Here we go. The MSSQL database concepts, Microsoft SQL and TSQL queries, about 400 plus queries in a 3 weeks journey will be the foundation course for your next step. You may plan for SQL Developer, 1 month journey separately, data engineer, a 2 months journey separately, or data analyst with Power BI, 1 month, or data analyst with Python additionally another 1 month, and Snowflake additional 1 month journey. This MSSQL TSQL course is a foundation, and what we learn in this course on my screen, we shall start from the scratch database introduction to installation of the DBMS database management system software. We have free and paid accounts. I mean, we'll be having the access to our online server, as well you will be having your own localized lifelong free server, officially free from Microsoft. After installation comes basics of SQL, Excel imports and Excel exports, schemas, relational database management concepts, and something called joins, group by, view, procedures, functions, triggers, transactions, indexes, basic level query tuning, normal forms, self-join, self-references, window functions, merge, rank, CTE, cursors, and detailed database architecture part of this course. Bit lengthy, but I'm sure we enjoy every moment, every bit, every example. And this will be the foundation for your next level journey. So coming to the data engineering, in case you're into programming, that's completely into coding part anyway. Participants who are into data engineering on my screen, it's all about something called extract, transform, load, ETL, data warehouse, big data and analytics, with something called data factory, Synapse, Databricks, data lake, PySpark, Spark, Python, ETL, Scala, and more. To step into data engineering, the first 300 queries in our 400 queries basement activities, the first 300 queries are very important. The detailed data engineering content on the screen, the 2 months plan. Same way, if in case you are into Power BI, the additional 1 month journey, Power BI, again the SQL, first 300 to 350 queries are very much mandatory. Power BI is more into cloud reporting operations, cloud visualizations, dashboards, and co-pilot concepts. You may plan for data analyst, 1 month Power BI, 1 month Python on top of this 400 plus queries MSSQL course. Data analyst is more into Excel, Power BI, Python with SQL activities. Finally, for experienced profiles, it's highly recommended to bundle data engineering with Power BI on top of the basement course MSSQL for proper resume and correct, meaningful certification items. Eventually, you may also opt for the new trending Microsoft cloud component for big data and warehousing called Microsoft Fabric. Even to step into Fabric, we need to start from yellow box, travel to black and red before we step into the Fabric box. Let's make our learning meaningful. Let's make our time investment useful. And let's start from MSSQL in a structured, easier, useful manner. With this, we'll stop for now. Any further questions or clarifications, please do reach me. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon in our live classes. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School and signing off. See you soon. Thank you. Have a nice time. Take care.